Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make an auto backup in UpdraftPlus. In the previous video we saw how to recover a website from a broken website in the easiest way. If you didn't see that yet, then just click here to see that video first. So once you install the UpdraftPlus, then just go to settings and UpdraftPlus. Then just go to settings under the UpdraftPlus. Just click on this and change it quickly. And change them into 4. This means it will make auto backup each week, and this means it will keep the backup maximum last 4 files. So you will find only the last 4 weeks backup files. Now scroll down and select the place where you want to save the backup. So I click on Google Drive. Then click on Save Changes. It will ask you to connect to Google Drive. Click on Sign in with Google. Now log into Google Drive by Gmail. And click on Complete Setup. So this is how you can set auto backup on UpdraftPlus. If you are new here, then subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials like this. Thanks for being with us.